Welcome. Today in front of me Honor 9A, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, just hold for a while your application and drag this application to the another one by this way. And as can you see, we got here the new edit folder on our screen, and just to add here one more application, you can make it by the same way. Just hold for a while and drag it here to the folder. Also, you can just tap here on the plus icon and add here more applications by here. Tap on each of application and select the checkbox, and now just to add all of these applications, tap here to OK, and as can you see, they are now here on our folder. Also, you can rename this folder. Just tap here on the folder name and enter the new name, for example the apps. Tap here to OK, and as can you see, we just renamed successfully our new folder. You can move this folder here on the screen. Just hold for a while and drag it, or also you can move folder between the screens. Also, you can create a new screen with this folder. So, and if you want to remove the application from the folder, for example, you can just hold for a while the app and drag it here to the screen, or also you can just by tap here to the plus and tap again on these applications. You can remove them from this folder, for example, by this way. So, and as can you see, they are here right now. So that's how it looks. And if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.